Welcome once again to my channel. Skincare is the name. If you are stopping by for the very first time, you are highly welcome. And to my old and new subscribers, God richly bless you for being with me so far. In today's video, I'm going to make a glowing and brightening oil, but this one is a pro-mixing method. Yes, I'll be showing the ingredient here or here. My first ingredient will be my beauty series oil. Beauty series oil is a beauty oil that will glow the skin naturally. So beauty series oil will be my base. Yes, I'm going to take in 60 ml of my beauty series oil, and my next ingredient will be my almond oil. Almond oil is also glowing oil, so I'll be taking in my 20 ml of my almond oil. And my last ingredient will be my vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is very good because it clears stretch marks, other skin problems. Vitamin E oil too, I'm going to scoop in 10 ml. Then I mix this oil together and we are way to go. This is the simplest oil that you can do it by yourself. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Be part of our family and you never regret of being part of me. Bye bye.